goal of Operation STEM is to enable students to excel in their pre-calculus to calculus sequence in order to successfully graduate with their STEM degree. What makes Operation STEM unique with regards to the curriculum is the additional mandatory 150 minutes of math instruction with the STEM peer teachers, which includes project-based learning. Our STEM peer teachers travel from all over Northeast Ohio to Cleveland State University in order to serve their students.
There are many duties of an SPT. We're there after lecture to provide extra help for the students and provide more engaging type of activities like group work and practicing the concepts to make them very concrete for them and understand it much better. The process for team teaching is we sit down and ask each other what content do they cover, what content do you think is going to be hard for them to understand, and how can we execute it to make it more fun and more concrete for them to understand.
We have to do logs as SPTs. We have to observe students. SPTs are essentially researchers.
The SPT logs that we keep are two different ones, but they're very similar. So we have the lecture log where we keep track of how many students were there, the content that the professor covered, behavioral issues that we might encounter like someone being late or on their phone. And then the SPT session would cover the same exact thing, but we add a couple different elements into that. So we say, how do we execute it, like our lesson plan, and then we also do a SPT reflection.
Keeping a logbook, the SPT logbook, it makes you observe your student, and that's the biggest part of being an SPT, so you know how to help each and every student.
We observe the SPTs in action and provide feedback. We have found that as the SPTs become better at their job, the students are learning and mastering the material better.
Operation STEM has really made math a lot more simple. The SPTs, they're very helpful. They help you become better problem solvers, which I feel is really important for higher level math classes.
An adoptee is a student that you choose between you and your SPT partner as someone that you want to take on for the year, meaning when we're sending our communication texts, emails about, hey, your homework's due, or practice test is due tonight and the test is tomorrow, you haven't completed it, get on it.
Along with adoptees and the SPT logs is probably the most important part of our job. It's what makes us most effective, is being able to communicate in ways that the professors generally don't.
What I like best about Operation STEM is the ability to get help whenever I need it.
We have met the program's short-term goals of increasing the pass rates for Pre-Calculus 1 by 15% and Pre-Calculus 2 by 19%. Because of the success of STEM peer teachers in mathematics, there is the plan to expand the concept into physics, chemistry, and biology classes.